here you have the Minecraft Java Edition screen. And before I click play, I need to speak about some of the other settings that you can find here. If you click on settings here, by default it is set to English United States, but as I'm English, I change it to English United Kingdom. And to use beta versions of the launcher I'm not really sure, but it doesn't. I think it's something to do along the lines if there's a new launcher, you can use it. By the way, that's not the default. And I click this because this is a good option. It's not on default, I don't think so. Keep the launcher open while games are running. That includes Minecraft itself. And open output log when games start. You can do this and it brings up a bunch of code, but I actually want to untick this. It's not on by default either. This is on by default. Automatically send crash reports to Mojang Studios. Basically, Mojang Studios owns Minecraft and automatically send crash reports. Like, say if it crashes, Mojang Studios will be notified of which. And there's a bug about the game itself. That's all about the settings. And if you click on Java Edition, now don't worry about the new Minecraft Dungeons, so you have to pay for Minecraft Dungeons, and this is a guide about Java Edition of Minecraft. Here, you can click on this, and this shows you the latest release, 1.16.2, so I'm correct, and the latest snapshot, so there's no snapshot releases for 1.17 or 1.16.3, whichever comes out. And I have this, and I want to speak to you about some other things. So you click new skin, so you come up with Alex and Steve. If you click this, player model classic is Steve, slim is Alex. And you can browse your file for a skin. I've not tried this out before. I'm not sure if it just puts you in there as a blocky appearance, or it just says this is not a Minecraft skin. So you click this, you click save or save and use, but I click cancel because I'm only showing you this. Patch notes if you want to read that, like about 1.16.2 and release candidate 2, about something like that. Installations. Right, by default, only I think releases and historical are only shown, and this is basically means that you cannot see snapshots. It has it here because the latest snapshot is a release version, but might change later. Here, the latest release 1.16.2 and the latest snapshot 1.16.2 both lead to the same thing. And here, edit or duplicate copies it. And these by default cannot be removed whatsoever. But I've made this Terrain Pre-Classic. And I think this is the latest version of Pre-Classic. It's before Minecraft's date of birth, 17th of May 2009. Anyway, moving on. Here, if you click play, it will load up with the Mojang Studios screen. Just it's preparing, so you see the screen bar at the bottom go up and up and up. Just be patient, okay? So as you can see, this is a screen here, and I wanted to speak to you about this bug about the language option. Here, if you look upside down, it says United Kingdom upside down English, United Kingdom English. If you click done, and it does say that language translation may not be accurate, so that's a quick note if you don't speak English United States. I don't, but it has this bug where it's upside down, and that makes no sense. So let me change that to US. There we go, much better. So here's the title screen, and I'll quit the game just to show you. But here, if you want to see this terrain pre-classic, like I didn't, this is not on by default. In fact, you have to make it like that. So if you click the new button, I named it terrain pre-class, and the scroll button easily helps all the way down. If you click this button, this is the latest pre-classic version, old_alpha RD-161348. They don't do it. Basically, it is the one that's, if you look here, this one that's titled old_alpha RD-20090515 does not work properly, and it'll attempt to load a different version instead. If you click create, it'll do it correctly. If you click cancel, then it won't. So I'm going to click snapshots because I was only showing you. And that's about it for this video. I mean, thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate that you've clicked this video. By the way, please make sure to like and subscribe because it does help out the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.